Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Ads Manager because that's where limits live. First, open the menu and choose Billing or Payment Settings. You need admin rights to view spend controls. Once there, scan the top summary for any account-level daily spend limit or active billing thresholds. Make sure you can see your payment method and recent invoices. This confirms the account you're checking. If you don't see limits, you may be in the wrong ad account. Switch accounts now and return to the billing overview. Next, locate the account spending limit section. This is different from campaign budgets. Click into Settings or Account Settings and then Payment Settings. You'll see any account-level daily cap listed there. For campaign-specific checks, open each campaign and view the ad set budgets to confirm daily amounts. Once done, compare those numbers because an account limit can override campaign spend, and campaign limits can restrict delivery even without account limits. Make a note of where each limit is set so you can adjust correctly. Finally, change limits by clicking Edit next to the account spending limit or inside each ad set for daily budgets. You must save each change. After updating, monitor Spend in Ads Manager for the next 24 to 48 hours to confirm behavior. Look at hourly and daily graphs. If limits do not apply, make sure you still have admin rights, clear cache, or try a different browser, and then contact Facebook support if the problem persists. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched ad account ID can make changes appear to fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.